Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Breaking news. Well, guys, this news is authentic and this has been confirmed by many other IELTS trainers as well. That is why I'm telling you, I'm giving you or breaking this news right in front of you. All right, as you know, IELTS is switching from paper delivered to computer delivered, and the students who are appearing in computer delivered IELTS, we as trainers have noticed that there is improved band score just because of computer delivered IELTS. I have a friend. He has his IELTS coaching center, Zoya IELTS Zone in Mandi Bahauddin. He's a good friend of mine, Rizwan Ali Rizi. He just confirmed me that the students who are appearing in computer delivered IELTS, they are getting better band score in writing. This is surprising. He said the students who are appearing in computer delivered, they are getting better score in writing and in reading also. And I was like, really? How is this happening? What is behind it? He said, I don't know, but the students, when they appear in computer delivered IELTS, even they are getting, they are, outperforming their ability to communicate in English in actual exam. So this is something really good. And then I looked into it deeply and I realized that in writing module, whenever you write, the main thing is your handwriting. Look at my handwriting, huh? The main thing is your handwriting. So when you are writing using your hand, of course, you have to generate ideas as well, right? At times you are not very comfortable, and sometimes what you write only you can read. Okay, others cannot read. In my class, this is my IELTS master class, a guy was sitting over there. We had speaking part 2. I gave him the topic. He made some notes, right? And then he started speaking and then he stopped. I said, what happened? He said, sir, I cannot read my own handwriting. So, because of removal of handwriting in computer delivered IELTS, students are getting better band score. And let me tell you another secret news. If you prepare personal template for IELTS writing task 2, right? If you have a template for writing task 2, right, that template is going to work in computer delivered IELTS, right? For example, we have IELTS writing book, okay? So we have this IELTS writing book, and I'm going to tell you, in that book, there are several phrases, there are several sentences, right? And there are many other things like that, okay? So, if you prepare your personal template, when I have to write opinion essay, in introduction, the first sentence, I will start with these days, nowadays, at present, and all that, okay? Yeah. So we've got one for general training and one for academic. So in writing module, if you prepare your own template for essay writing, not the template that you get from somewhere, personal template. Why personal? Because if 100 people have used the same template, 1,000 people have used the same template, it will be highlighted. All right. So you need to prepare your personal template for writing, for essay writing, even for report writing. You can prepare your personal template. For letter writing, you can prepare your personal template, and then template does not mean you write everything. Templates are usually sentence starters. Templates are usually sentence connectors. They connect your sentence, and templates are usually the sentence, they are used at conclusion and all that, right? So you can use signpost language, you can use some phrases, then you can use topic related vocabulary which you will find in these 2 writing books. You can easily do that and make your personalized template, and believe me, with that template, getting a 7 band in IELTS writing will not be difficult, okay? So this is something great. And in reading, students are getting better band score. I tell you what's the reason. The reason is text or passage and questions now they are side by side. Okay, if you appear in paper delivered IELTS, passage is here and here, and questions are here. Now, if question number 1 answer is here, you will go back, come back. You will go back, come back. Go back, come back, and all that. So this actually diverts your attention, and sometimes it becomes annoying or irritating. By the time you reach the passage, after reading the question, you forget the question, then you go back. But now in computer delivered IELTS, you will only move your eyes like this. Okay, yeah, like this, and then you can see that. So because of this thing, and most importantly, in paper delivered IELTS in reading module, many students of mine, my subscribers, they usually forgot to transfer their answers to the answer sheet, and I know many students who got 1 band in reading. 1 band in reading. Why? Because they were expecting 10 minutes will be given to transfer the answers to the answer sheet like in listening module. And I tell this thing, I focus or stress these things in the class. No extra time will be given to transfer your answers to the answer sheet in reading module. So now you don't have to transfer answers anywhere. Now you can copy paste your answers. Now you can highlight the text. By doing all these things, students are getting better bench score in reading and in writing already. Okay, and as far as listening is concerned, we have started to see improvements in that. Once you get used to it, once you know how to type 1 word or 2 words in part 1 and 1 or 2 words in part 4, and click, 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 drag and drop, click, 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 drag and drop. Okay, so you're gonna be perfectly fine. So to me, computer delivered IELTS is more like playing a video game. It is less stressful. Once you go through it, you can see and you can get the results in 24 hours as well. All the best, guys. Thank you so very much that you watched this breaking news, and there is more to come in the world of IELTS, and I'm going to share each and everything with you. Thank you so much. We have prepared a wonderful software for computer delivered IELTS preparation. If you are a computer delivered IELTS candidate, we have this package of 5 practice tests and 5 mock tests. So if you want to get that package, you can contact us and we'll give you all the details about it, right? Thank you so much. All the best. I teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test booking service. We have IELTS books. We have IELTS study plans before exam. If you want to prepare, you can just contact us and we'll give you all the details about everything. All the best. Asad Yaqub wishes you wholeheartedly best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.